Okay class. It is time for some vocabulary words.
Whoa. Look at that girl. She's so beautiful.
Dark Meowser Jr. Are you going to stalk a girl or do your work?
Do my work.
1 hour of vocabulary later.
What do you want?
Can you come to my house?
No. Now stop stalking me.
Man. I really love that girl so much that I want her to love me. What should I do? Hold on a second. I know what I should do. I will tell Miss Simeon that she is coming to my house later so she will call my parents. Ha 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 ha. Miss Simeon.
Yes, Dark Meowser Jr.
Twilight Sparkle is coming to, my house, today. Call, my, ints.
I think you are trying to stalk her. That's it. I will call her in here to see if it's true. Twilight Sparkle, can you come in here please?
What's going on here, Miss Simmon?
Twilight. Is it true that you're going to Dark Meowser Jr.'s house today?
What? He keeps on stalking me. That does it. Punish him now.
Oh 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 oh. Dark Meowser Jr. How dare you try to invite her over to your house? You stalker.
But she's so pretty.
Does it look like I give a piece of poop about it? No. That's it. You get a one-way ticket to the principal's office. Go there now.
So Dark Meowser Jr., what brings you into my office this time?
I stalked a girl at school today.
Dark Meowser Jr. We can't believe you stalk a girl at school. You know stalking at school is cruel and embarrassing. And you know you are not supposed to do that at all.
Your father is right, Dark Meowser Jr. You are grounded for 4 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Wow.